Hello everyone, today we learn about compound words. What are compound words? Compound words are two words that are joined together to form a new word. See, horse, join seahorse. Desktop, desktop. Sun, bath, sunbath. Salesman, salesman. Dreamland, dreamland. Something, something. Seesaw, seesaw. Flashlight, flashlight. Cell phone, cell phone. Moon and light, moonlight. Bed and bug, bed bug. Out and come, outcome. New and come, newcomer. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Mailbox, mailbox. Handmake, handmade. Lifeguard, lifeguard. Donut, donut. Childproof, childproof. Scarecrow, scarecrow. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Hairbrush, hairbrush. Handcuffs, handcuffs. Strawberry, strawberry. Firefly, firefly. Sunflower, sunflower. Caveman, caveman. Wheelchair, wheelchair. Outside, outside. Headache, headache. Salt shake, salt shaker. Homework, homework. Highway, highway. Ice cream, ice cream. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Downtown, downtown. Fishman, fisherman. Sidewalk, sidewalk. Handsome, handsome. Butterfly, butterfly. Throw away, throw away. Windy storm, windy storm. Laptop, laptop. Earthworm, earthworm. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Motherhood, motherhood, whichever, whichever, joyless, joyless, dragonfly, dragonfly, rainbow, rainbow, light, heart, light-hearted, earring, earring, notebook, notebook, brainstorm, brainstorm, racehorse, racehorse. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.